today's video, I'll show you how to upload files to Dropbox so you can keep everything safe, organized, and easy to access from any device. The process is quick and you'll have your files in the cloud in just a moment. Start by going to dropbox.com and signing into your account. Once you're on the home page, look just below the search bar for the upload button. This is where you can add anything you need. Clicking it gives you two choices. Select files if you want to upload individual documents, or choose folder if you're moving an entire directory at once. If you prefer a faster method, you can simply drag and drop files or folders from your computer directly into the Dropbox window. Dropbox will recognize them immediately and start the upload without any extra steps. Before you begin the upload, you can also choose a destination inside your Dropbox. You can create a new folder or open one you already use, so everything stays organized. Once your files are selected and your location is set, just click Upload. Dropbox will handle the rest automatically and let you know when everything is finished. And that's all it takes. Your files are now safely stored in Dropbox and ready whenever you need them. Stay tuned for more quick and helpful tutorials.